Hi, please rename yourself to your correct names, guys. It is so confusing for me. Mitransh, do you want me to rename your Mitransh's brother?
Yes, I'm changing his name.
Okay,
His name is
Mohan.
Tejansh.
No problem. Jeevanashri's brother, you have to rename yourself again. Mohit.
But I'm Jivanashri.
You're Jeevanashri?
Wait, do I even have a class today?
No.
Is it tomorrow?
You tell me when is your class?
It's on Tuesday for me, but my
Yes,
dad said
correct.
to join today.
That is for Mohit, right?
Oh,
Yeah, this is Mohit's class, right?
oh, my dad told me to join. Okay, I'm gonna go tell him.
Okay, easy available.
He's out.
He's out. Okay. 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 Talk to your dad. I don't
Yeah, I'm
know.
gonna tell him.
Yeah.
Priya, you can name as Tej.
Yeah, I can name him. You have to tell me his name. I don't know his name.
Tejansh, but you can call him Tej.
Tej. Huh?
Hmm.
Thank you. Hi, Vivan. How are you? Okay, let me remind. Since this is the first class, right? Let me see. Vivansh, did you find those fraction problems good? Oh, he's gone. Yeah, today a couple of them have. Okay, I'm just being paid. Oh, I have no video. Sorry, guys. I didn't see that. Okay. How was the homework, guys? Do you all have the books with you? Just I'm making sure, guys. Do you all have the books with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get started with decimals.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? I was also wondering when I'd get my results from my homework back because I only because I've been like I finished it from last week.
Amma, Arnav, I don't get what you're saying. Please tell me once more. I'll try to listen.
Um I finished the fractions detailed homework last week, but I still haven't gotten the results from it.
Oh, yeah, I have not. Yeah, let me see. Wait. Okay, how was the homework? It was daunting or good?
It was good, except I didn't realize how long like you put it for, or else I like could have done a little less problems each
Miss
day.
Priya, I only sorry if I just did 60 questions, but I did 30 per day.
30 per day. See, split it and do it, guys. I'm not a mean teacher to ask you to do everything on a single day. You see? I really want you to do 10 every day or 20 every day. It will create a big difference in 6 months. I
But
experimented that, with my own daughter.
Does
It
that
creates a huge difference, but every single day solve 20 problems.
I'd rather do 30 if
30,
it's
30 is
easy.
great.
I did 30 on the homework.
one day
So I
one
did
day
good.
I didn't do the homework, and then the second day like I did like 40 problems of the homework, and then the next day I did it like mix up. So like one day I didn't do the homework, and then one day that I did. After that one day like that I didn't like by like for the next 3 days, and then after that one day I do like 100 problems or something.
I see. I see. I,
Wow.
you know what? I'm going to go over a little bit so that I understand where we are, all are. Okay. You know what? Hey, Tej, you're new to me, right? I'll open up the old assignments. Do you want to go over them? It's all on fractions mostly. Would you
Okay.
like to go over them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. So good guys, I gave you good amount. Okay, that's nice. I am proud of myself when I see the homework. Okay. So how many did you do? How many did you do, Neil?
60.
60. Okay. When are you going to do the rest of 140?
Uh,
I'm going to write down the date and keep and follow it up with you. When are you going to do the rest of 140? You said 30 every day, correct?
yeah.
So starting today, 10. So you have another?
I just got another
I want you say, okay, next week when you come in, you should have completed all. Okay?
wow.
Yes. You're going to do 30 a day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put a
I
remainder.
think also, did you know that tomorrow's our first day of school?
Oh,
Isn't
good
it a
job. But
reminder?
then that's the first day of school, so nothing will happen for the first 3 days. So you can do 4 days of homework, okay? Okay, Akshara, how about you?
I think.
You done, ma?
Yeah, I finished.
You finished. How was it?
It was good.
It was no. Meaning, I really found that very fruitful. Okay, doing that same thing, same exercise. I'm going to do it on decimals with you guys as well. Okay, there's more on fractions which I wanted to complete. I will let you complete, but not now. I won't force you all to do it right away, but slowly I'll be giving more. Okay, now, I do want to see. I do want to see you all submitting. Yes, Akshara, I see yours. Okay, very nice, Arnav. Very very nice. Okay, I'm really proud of you. Okay.
Can you type my answers in the chat? Like how much what I got?
Yeah, please.
Like out of 100%.
Oh, I'll send it, ma. Don't worry about it. Okay. I just want to see. Just like that, I can't send it during the class, right? Please. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to be fair. I want to go over it. What you did, I want to see and then send. Okay. Okay. Let's go over now. Okay. I really want to move on. Hey, Abhi, where is your homework, Abhi? It's not that I've forgotten.
I didn't finish it.
Finish it. How much did you do?
Oh, I did around 50 problems.
Okay. Can I expect you all to get that done by next week?
Yeah.
I really want all of you to
Yes,
submit
yeah.
what you did. Make sense?
Yeah.
Wait, so does that mean there's no homework next week?
Oh no, I do have a few pages of something else. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really want you to. Okay. So you all know how to add mixed numbers now. You all know how to multiply fractions. Do you all know how to multiply fractions?
Yeah.
I think so.
Think so? Okay. Okay. But you know what? I don't want to go into the rabbit hole of fractions. Fractions is taking time. Okay. So I really don't want to go there. Okay. I'm going
Wait,
to
when are we gonna get to the beast books?
beach books. I really want to go to it today because I've taken 5C first. I
But I
already planned,
got
right, for today.
5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D, but we didn't even use any 5A or 5B.
What, ma?
I got 5A, 5C, 5
Yeah,
and 5A,
see, yeah.
5B, 5C, and 5D, but if we're only gonna need 5C and 5D, why did I get the 5A and B?
Seema, this year it's going to be acceleration is going to be a top priority, right? So slow down, meaning I really want you guys to be very, very aware of fractions and decimals first for me to move on. Okay. So how about this? Can I ask you, meaning I just want to know whether you guys know, do you know how to multiply this 23 by 22, 22 by 3, multiply by 1 by 4? Please send the answer. Don't shout out your answers. Just send it to me. Just send it to me. I just want to know whether you know. That's all. What is 5 by 9 off? Off means what, guys? What is the word off? 3 by 9 off 2 by
Multiplied.
hmm?
Multiply.
Multiply. This is just a revision of what we did. If you are not able to see my handwriting, you can let me know. Akshara, how are you feeling, ma? Comfortable to do these?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Okay, nice. This is a tricky question, the third one.
I'm a bit confused on question 1, but I'll do the rest.
What? You're confused on number 1 now. Why?
Oh, let me just try solving it.
Yeah, I really want you all to complete, please. I really want you all to complete till 20 by next week. I will individually ask you. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I know that it was 200 problems, but it's not 200 problems. You know, if you sit and do, you can do 10 at one shot. Okay, whatever
Wow,
you know. Huh?
that is actually quite little.
What is it?
Actually, doing 10 problems is a bit little in my opinion. So I just do 30.
Hey, Atulya. Atulya. Hey, Ann, nice to see you back. Are you done with your meet the teacher? I am so glad to see you back.
One question. Do
How
you live
are
in
you?
Texas?
I am not in Texas, ma. I wish I
No.
was in Texas. I would.
You're in New Hampshire.
I'm good.
No, I'm talking about Athalia.
Atulya is in Plano.
Then I know her. My friend, my cousin is friends with her.
That's true. That's true. Friends with her sister, right?
Yeah, my cousin is friends with her.
With
That's
her
right.
sister or with Atulya?
With Athalia.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay. Her video is not working பாருங்க நான் என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு
No
இருக்கேன்.
problem. You're in line. This is not her class, right? For
Ah.
some reason, there is some mishap. Okay. It's after an, it's at 58, 7.
I will ask Ananya.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. Just 1
She
minute.
could have done something to this.
இல்லம்மா 1 minute. 7:50. 7:50
ஆமா.
time. உங்க time 6:50. 6:50க்கு அவ class.
அதுல்யாக்கா
ஆமா.
இன்னைக்கு 6:50 தானா?
ஆமா.
ஓ, ஓகே ஓகே.
அமிச்சேன்.
சரிப்பா.
உங்களுக்கு டைம் அமிச்சேன். 6:50க்கு அவ ஜாயின் பண்ணு. இந்த கிளாஸ் அவளுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும்.
ஓ, சரி, ஓகே. நான் அப்ப அந்த கிளாஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். நான் இதுல இருந்து வெளில வந்துக்கிறேன்.
Perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Guys, are you done with these 3 problems?
Wait, I'm working on the final. I'm working on the final one.
Thank you, Neil. I really appreciate it. Do you have the notebook with you? I have to see your notebook as well. Not just like that staring in the air or looking at the wall.
I just got a notebook. It was
See?
right next to me.
Okay. How about you? Do you have Akshara notebook? I want you to put it down. On the notebook, I
Priya.
want you to work it out. Yes.
Priya, I didn't do anything. What am I supposed to do?
You didn't do anything? What does it mean?
Like, what am I supposed to do here?
Oh, there are 3 problems on the board. You see? This is how I'll know what you know, right?
I didn't really get number 3.
Okay, Hayan, a note to you and Tej maybe. Okay.
I wonder my
Tej,
eyes
if we,
look a bit red.
today, okay. Tej, if we get going, right, I really want you to try out. There are some 200 problems that are put in last week in fractions, basic fractions, okay?
Okay.
Hayan and Tej will complete it next week. I will ask individually, okay? The others got 2 weeks. You guys are going to get only 1 week.
Okay.
Okay, so I will wait for you to every day do 30 problems. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yes.
I really want to see what you have worked out in those 200 problems.
Okay.
Make sense? And then we'll go to multiplication. Just a grind of fraction and decimal we are going to do through this 2-3 months. You got
Okay.
it?
Yes.
That is in the Google Classroom, Priya?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll print.
Okay, now. What's up?
Okay, I accidentally clicked the pen on the enter, so that's an accident. I'm gonna there.
Guys, can I check your answers now?
Okay.
Akshara, please simplify ma. You know how to simplify? When you answer, you should simplify that, please. You know how to simplify, Akshara?
Yeah.
Everything should be simplified. You need help with 3. Really, Neil? That is in English. You're going to convert the English to mathematics.
I think I put it in a word. I didn't put it in word form.
Wow, Neil. You said you needed help, but you have the answer. Good job, Neil.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm proud of you. Akshara, good job, ma. Can you proceed with this 2 and 3?
Is my answer correct?
I did number 2.
5, 6.
I'm good.
Guys, so daunting. Wait, guys. 11.
Miss Leah.
5,
Oh, Miss Leah, my bad.
yeah, ma.
I finished 1 and 2. Where should I put the answers?
I will tell you. You don't know,
Okay.
right? Tej,
Yeah.
the way class works is there is a chat window. Do you see it? Are you able to chat with me?
But it's disabled.
It's disabled. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll help you. It
Put
will not be.
that.
Okay, so you can go ahead and chat with me
Put
now.
new chat.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, new chat. Okay, they're all helping you. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Put new
No
chat and then you'll
problem.
be able to looks like.
Okay.
No
I didn't know that. Thank you for helping me. I can help the others as well. Vivan, good job, Vivan. Very proud of you, Vivan. But at the same time, can you simplify that? See, 6 is a number that's divisible by 3. 45, when you sum the digits, it's 9 that's divisible by 3. Can you divide both by 3? You see what I mean?
Okay.
Tej, can you please simplify, guys? You're all forgetting to simplify. You know what is simplifying, Tej? Do you know how to simplify, Tej? You have to unmute and talk. Then only I'll be able to hear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Good job, Akshara. Who is this? Surya Manu? I don't even know who is this. I'm going to permit somebody whom I don't know. Let's see.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? I don't know the name, but they're coming and joining. Who's that?
Whose name is it?
Hey, Surya Manu. Who's this, guys?
Sorry, this is Sharda. I'm Karuna's friend. Sorry, we had to drop the.
I can't hear you. You sound glitchy.
Hey, what is his,
I still can't hear.
what is his name?
Can you hear me now? Can
Guys,
you
go
hear
ahead,
me
guys.
or see me now?
Yeah, we can.
So yeah, sorry, I'm Karuna's friend. I talked to you on Saturday.
Yes. Is he okay
Yeah,
to join?
sorry.
Otherwise, you can join next week, Ma.
I'm
Don't
gonna.
worry at all. Yeah, don't worry at all. I feel like you're very stressed and in the car, right? Is it okay for him?
No. We are in the car. Yeah, we are in the car. He's here. I don't know. I just want him to introduce you to you.
Oh, sure. Hi,
Manu,
Surya.
introduce yourself.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Do you want to join? Do you want to join in today? Guys, you're not going to wait for me. I'm going to wait and watch 1, 2 answers I got. 3. Vivan, did you do it by yourself, the third question?
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm proud of you. Hi, Surya. What's up? Tell me. When do you want to join us?
Today?
Today? Is your internet okay? Ma, I'm waiting for your answers, guys. I really want to move on, guys. Abhi, I saw your answer. The third one, can you recheck? Can you put it down? Whatever, read it again loud. And then put it again as an equation, Abhi. I really want you to redo. You're not simplifying, Abhi. The second problem as well, when you look at it, 6 is divisible by 3 and 45 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3 and 45 is divisible by 3. Did you see that, Abhi?
No.
Now you're able to see that? Can you simplify that? Okay. Akshara, how about 3 ma? Where are we on the 3 ma? Can we work together?
I'm figuring it out.
You can't figure it out?
I am. Like I'm trying to
You
work
are?
it.
Okay, okay. Let me show you guys. Surya, you can listen. Okay. Let's go ahead. 22 by 3. Guys, when you multiply fractions, I really do not want you to multiply like this. No. Please see whether you can simplify any numerator with any denominator. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Any numerator can be simplified with any denominator. This becomes 11, this becomes 2. Now, when you don't have anything to simplify, you can multiply. 11 by 6 is your first answer. Second answer is 3 by 9 times 2 by 5. Surya Mano, I think it's very hard for you from the car, I feel. Okay, 3 by 9 times 2 by 5. So that becomes what? Can you simplify anything? Yes, 3 by 9 can be simplified to 1 by 3. Now multiply both 2 by 15. Any questions, guys? Heyan?
No.
I'll wait a little bit for you, okay, to keep going. Okay, for now, I'll just go over these 3 problems. 1 by 4 of felon savings. Of means multiply, right? 1 by 4 of felon savings is equal to half. That's what I'm doing. Half of means what? Multiply by Joe. Can I write this equation here? 1 by 4 times F is equal to half times J. 1 by 4 I wrote down. Of I multiplied. Felon savings I put it as F is equal to, I put an equal to sign. Half I put a half. Of I multiplied. Joe's savings J. Right? Now Joe's total saving. We need to find out what is J. I want to move the rest of it the other side. So why don't I multiply by 2? If I multiply by 2, it's so easy. See? Multiply by 2. What is 2 by 4? 2 by 4 is half F is equal to J. You see? So Joe's total saving J is equal to what? Half of feline savings. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
How easy it is? You have to convert the English to mathematics. That is what is important here. Let's see it. Okay. I know we are.
I did it by like the boxes instead of like a whole equation.
Absolutely, Akshara. I would love that. Next time you can show it to us as well. Can we try?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see this one. Okay. I have 9 by 10 meter of a wire. This is just a review of fractions of what we did, guys. Okay. I have 9 by 10 meter of a wire. Okay. Now, I used 3 by 10th of it. I used 3 by 10th. See here, I used 3 by 10. Off means what, guys? What should I do with the off? Off it means what?
Times, like multiplication.
Times and then the 9. Yeah, off it means it is referring to 9 by 10. So you need to be very careful with English. Every word is important here. Okay. So I'm asking how much wire was left. Please don't shout out answers. How much wire was left? Very tricky. Okay, every word makes it tricky. So I'm going to wait. Heyan, this time I'm really waiting for your answer. Surya Mano, do you next week, Surya Mano?
Which day of next week?
What, ma?
What days do you have?
What days do you have next week?
The same. But see, but I don't know. I really want you to join properly because I don't want any distraction during the class as well. So if you join, we are going to join on time and come. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll do it next week. Okay. I think you're in the car as well. Are you? If you're able to listen, listen in.
I am able to listen.
Oh, then okay. Let's continue.
Yeah, and I'm able to do also.
Wow, impressive. Okay. Are you in a position to send the answers?
Yes, yes, sir, for this question, ma'am.
Do you know how to send? I can help you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So like
So 9 by 10 is the total meter of the
You're
wire.
not going to, Suryamanu, you're going to explain it in the chat. You're going to send the answer in the chat.
Okay.
Okay, because others are doing.
Wait a minute. Okay. Thanks.
Go ahead, guys. What happened? Vivan, you did not read the question. You got the intermediate answer, but you did not read the question. Can you read it out loud? Mute yourself, read it out loud. I want to see you reading it out loud.
Did I get it right?
Priya auntie, could you
Yeah,
check
ma.
my
Yeah, I will.
Wait, did I get it right?
Tej, you're able to do, ma? You have to unmute and talk in class.
No.
Okay, no. Okay, no problem, Tej.
Did
I'll
I
work
get
with
it
you.
right?
You have to wait or now. Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah,
Miss
ma.
Priya, is my answer correct?
Okay. Okay. I see what is tripping the entire class. Good. Okay. Let's see. Akshara, did you do it by yourself, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to move on, guys. Let's see. I'm going to explain this to you all, guys. Okay. I didn't call out any names. Okay. I have 9 by 10. I have 9 by 10 meter of a wire. This is 9 by 10 meter of my wire. Okay. I used, Tej, are you following, Tej?
Yes.
I used 3 by 10 of it. Means what? 3 by 10 of 3 by 10 of 9 by 10. So how much did I use? Tej, you tell me, how much did I use? How many?
Do I have 27 hundreds?
27 by 2700 meter. 2700th meter I used. The thing is, question is not that. How much wire was left? So what should I do, Vivan?
Should you minus them?
Exactly. It says multi-step problem. So I have to subtract it from what? 9 by 10? Because I had this one initially, right? So I need to subtract. But then my denominator is different. Yeah, Hayan, before I proceed, right, I want to see what is your answer. I'm curious. Wait. 1 second, guys. Lakshanya, good job. Hi. How was meet the teacher? I'm going to check your answer, Hayan. So I have to bring my denominator to 100, right? Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Each fraction is like its own family. I have to bring it to the common denominator means I multiply by 10 numerator and denominator. 90 by 100 minus 27 by 100. What is 90 by 100 minus 27 by 100? 63 by 100. That is your answer. Hayan, how did you get 2 by 3? Can you explain? Aha, Surya Mano, did you see that? You have to subtract 27 by 100, right? You did 3 by 10. Did you get it? See, there was a simple thing there that told you I used it. It does not say I used 3 by 10 meter. If it said I used 3 by 10 meter, then you can subtract that. But it says I used 3 by 10 of it means 3/10 of whatever was there I used. Whatever was there, I had it as 10 parts and used 3 of it. As a result, 3 by 10 I wrote down. Off means multiply. It means 9 by 10 meter. Surya Mano, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can just call me Surya, ma'am.
Surya. Okay, thank you.
I did it a different way.
How, Ma? Go ahead, Akshara. Okay, you want, okay. It doesn't matter, Lakshanya. I know you. You can stay there. Okay, go ahead, Ma.
So I did like a box, and then I split it into like 10 sections. And then
Ah, you put 9 by 10 into 10 sections?
Yeah.
That's nice. So, see, that's a good idea. So, I like that idea. See what she did? She had 9 by 10 meter. She split it into 10 pieces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal pieces. So, 9 by 10, she divided to 10 equal pieces. How did she divide? 9 by 10 times 1 by 10. Correct, guys?
Yes.
All I did was just
Yeah, so each
9,
was a
10
9 by
minus 3
100.
times.
Yeah, each was a 9 by 100, right? So she did that. And then what did she do?
That's not what I did. So I did like, because I know it's 7 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
It's 7 by 10 times 9 by 10.
Ah, okay. You know, it said that she used 3 parts out of 10 parts, right? So they're asking what was left, right? So she just multiplied 7 by 10. The remaining part was 7 by 10 of 9 by 10. That she did. Good job. That's nice. Okay, how about this? Let's see this one. Heyan, can I ask you this? Do you know multiplication of fractions, Heyan? Yeah, yeah, Tej.
Why do you have to multiply 9 by 10?
Yes.
Because,
Yes,
okay,
I have protection of fractions.
you know, okay. Because there is 10 meter, okay? I use half of it means what, Tej? I used half of it. That means what? You multiply half of means multiply, it means 10. Do you see?
Yeah.
The same thing here. You use 3 by 10 of it.
Yes.
You got it?
Yeah.
It
Priya,
did not say.
his
Okay.
question is different. His question was you wrote 9 by 10 minus 20 by 27 by 100 and you made the denominators equal, right? So you're multiplying 9 into 10 and 10 into 10, right?
Yeah.
So his question is why are we multiplying 9 into 10 and 10 into 10?
Because you have to bring it to the common denominator, right, Amma?
That's what his question.
Okay.
Subtraction of fractions, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. How about this? How about this? I really want you to try this one. Okay. I bought, let me see this one. 3 by 10 kg of veggies. See, here they are saying I bought this many kgs. Okay. I used half of it. How many kgs did I use? How many kgs did I use?
I made a typo.
It's not a hard one, but let me see. Bringing to come. Okay, let me ask you this. Addition and subtraction of fractions stage. Do you know, ma?
Yes.
Okay, Heyan, do you know addition and subtraction of fractions? Naga, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm yes, fine. I know addition and
You
subtraction.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like you feel so tired.
It's been a little busy day.
A busy day. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay,
It's okay.
that's good, Neil. Abhi correct. Okay, so some of you really know multiplication. Okay, let me wait. Let me understand a little bit more. Akshara, can I get your answer, ma?
I'm checking it.
Yeah. You're doing it by yourself, right, ma? Akshara, don't get help from mom.
Doing it by myself.
Okay.
1/4 of it. So
Then only I'll know what you know. Good job, Heya.
I don't really
Akshara, is
understand.
that right?
this is the freedom.
Akshara, is that right? Can you recheck? Can you reread? Yes, Vivan, tell me. What is your question?
I don't really understand.
Okay. So let's say, Heyan, the Vivan, let's do this. Let's do this, Vivan. I bought 10 kgs of I bought 10 kg of veggies. Okay. I used half of it means what do you do, Vivan?
You convert the 1/2 to 5/10.
No, you don't need to. What is half of 10?
5.
How did you calculate? You multiply, right? You multiply, right? Then only you get a 5. So here it is just that the 10, it's not a 10, but it is a fraction. So 3 by 10, you multiply with half of means multiply, I'm saying. That's a nice tricky word which can say that it is multiplication. Half of half times 3 by 10. Make sense? How about you, Tej? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I don't want to spend more time in this, but I really want to see. Okay.
Priya auntie,
Yeah, ma.
this is Helen. Is my answer correct?
I gave you the answer, right? Did you see? But I
Okay.
want to see. I want to see your answer. Wait, let me see. Yes, that's correct, Hayan.
Okay.
I saw your answer. Sorry, ma. Lakshanya, yes, I saw your answer. I saw your answer, Arnav. Good job. Okay, guys. I really want to move on a little bit. Okay. So, yeah, last week we were discussing decimals, right? We'll come back to fractions again and again. Okay. There and here I will revise fractions. Okay. Then only you'll all remember, I feel. Okay. So, let's see. We all discussed fractions last week, right? So, what is this called? What is this decimal called? This you would have learned it already. Tej, help me. What is this decimal called?
Tenths.
What tens? What is this decimal called? 6 tens. So, how do you write it as a fraction?
Well, can I do it?
1 minute, Neil. Please, Neil. I'll give you the turn next.
6 by 10.
6 by 10. How about, Neil, good job. 8. What is this? Neil, you can go ahead. What is this as a fraction?
I go next?
So, I'll type it in.
Surya, I'm happy that you are there on the table now. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Go ahead, ma.
Hmm,
Neil, you can go
so,
ahead. What is 8.25? What is 8.25 as a decimal? Wow, good job. He wrote it as 8 1 by 4. 8 wholes and then 25 hundreds. It's a mixed number, right? But you know what I told you, right? You should always simplify fraction, right? 8 1 by 4. Make sense?
yeah.
Can I go next?
You can go next. Yes, I want to know more. Okay. 8.08. Who's going to try on the board?
Me.
Who's going to explain? Yeah, go ahead, Abhi.
It would be 8 wholes and 8 100.
Good job. But is that right, Abhi? Is this right?
You can simplify it to 4/50ths, and then you can also simplify it to 2/25ths after that.
Good job. How many of you, Heyan, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see this one. How about this? 7 4 by 5. I really want everybody to answer in chat. Okay. Will be equal to how many ones and how many tens? I want everybody to answer this. 4.6. Please convert to a mixed number. You know there is 4 ones and 6 tens. So you can convert to a simplified mixed number. Always simplify and tell. Oh, good job, Ma. Good job, Arnav, on that. First, please question numbers, guys. Otherwise, how can I match, Ma? That's right, Naga. That's nice, Lakshanya. Neil, very nice. That is right for both the questions. Vivan, Vivan, 7 ones and how many tens, Vivan? There's a 5 in the denominator. You have to make it into a 10. Then only you'll get tens, right? Don't forget. Surya, are you following Surya? Now that you're on the table, I can get with you too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? So, what is the answer?
No.
Still solving.
Oh, still solving. Take your time, no pressure. Good job, Vivan. You got it. Abhi, very nice. Can you go to the next one, Abhi?
I finished.
Heyan, can I get your answer, Heyan?
I just finished the second one.
Yeah, I saw that. But again, did I tell you,
I'm done
Abhi?
sending it.
What did
Go
I?
ahead.
Thank you, Heyan. Did I tell you, Abhi, to send you the simplified answer? You are not at all sending me the simplified answer. I feel very sad. Same with Vivan. You understood that. Good job. Yeah, whenever you send, you have to send me simplified answers. Number two, Lakshanya, please go ahead with number two, ma. Heyan, can you explain how you got that 7 ones and what? Why did you say 2 tens? What does that mean?
That was a typo.
That was a typo. Tent or tens? Tent cannot come here. I really want tens, TENTHS.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Heyan. I'll wait. 1, 2 by 4. Sage.
Yes, Miss Priya.
Okay. Yeah. So, Tej, what number should come there? How many ones and how many tens in that number in one?
There should be 7 ones and 8 tens.
Good job. Surya, are you following that? The first one? Okay, good. Thumbs up really helps. Number two, 4.6 is a mixed number. Tej, how will you get 1? 4 ones are there, right? It cannot be 1, right? Why did you get 1?
Oh.
Maybe my writing is bad, I think, right?
No, I kind of got messed up.
Doesn't matter, Vivan. With you, I can coordinate even without volume. Doesn't matter. But where is your answer? Second answer. I need second answer is I need your simplified answer. Oh yeah. You got it. Okay. Akshara, correct, ma. Okay, I'm going to go over this, guys. Seema, whenever you are asked for your 10, you have to make sure to convert your denominator. Sometimes. So what do you do? Let me show you. So here, see, 7, 4 by 5, right? How do you make this to a 10? It's just making to a 10, right? Multiply by 2, that becomes 7, 8 by 10. So there are 7 ones and 8 tens. Got it, guys? Second
Yes.
one is 4.6, right? 4 wholes and 6 tens, right?
Yes.
But I told you to give me the simplified answer. That will be 3 by 5. 4, 3 by 5. Okay. How about this? So nicely you should be able to convert for me to, okay, multiply, convert fraction to a decimal. Easy ones at least, okay? Now let me see this one, guys. Would you be able to add these two? Let me see. See, we have learned it in 3rd grade, I know, okay? We have learned it in 3rd grade. I just want to know how you do this, okay? Surya, I'm not asking you questions now, but I am thinking that you're following it and I'll come and ask you a few questions, okay? Let's see. There are 2 questions on the board that we are going to do. Okay, so the concept we discussed last week, guys, the concept related to hundreds, ones, hundreds.
Why did it 3 by 10 is 30?
Hey guys, please mute yourself. And I would appreciate if the parents are not into the class as well. You can definitely help, please, and watch. Okay, so here the sum of, okay, we did discuss hundreds, tens, ones, right, with decimals last week. So it is just a continuation of that, right? So now, going further, this week, I want to discuss a little bit of multiplication of decimals. Okay, now the fourth grade, you already know the addition and subtraction, aligning that, comparing, all that we have learned nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and work with you on multiplication a little bit today, for sure. That's okay, Mavivan.
Let's
15,
see hundreds.
100, 30.
Wait a minute. So this is supposed to be a decimal answer, like question 1.
Question 1 is a okay, answer format. Yeah, answer format, however you send, I'm fine, Neil. I will check.
Okay.
Good job, Abhi. Wow, Abhi, good job. Abhi, what did you say about the homework? You finished all the 200 problems?
Oh no.
Okay, good. But then it's really good. You're really good. Mm. Lakshanya, I'm looking at your answer, Lakshanya. Very good. Can you proceed with the second one? Akshara, I'm looking at your answer as well. Good job, ma. Both of you. Tej, you're able to follow, ma. You're able to follow. You know what is the
Yes.
decimal of that page?
Yes.
Yeah, give me the decimal of that. I want to see.
Of the first question?
Yes, ma. Heyan, do you know the decimal equivalent of it? I want to see your decimal as well. Vivan. Vivan, how did you get that, Vivan? First question is. Vivan, can you explain the first one?
For 1500s, that's enough.
15.
Since that's over 10, you
Uh-huh.
can convert that 10 into
Reality.
tenths.
This is Hannah. I edited my answer.
So
And
then
added
you
the
get
decimal form.
I'll check. Yeah.
one,
Let's wait for Vivan.
1, 8. So it becomes a mixed fraction, which is 1.
How will
and
it become a mixed fraction?
1 8 over 10.
You know what? You don't need to simplify this. Don't simplify this unnecessarily.
Okay.
15 by 100. The 3 by 10 becomes what? 30 by 100. So just add them together. When the denominator is 100, it's very easy to convert to decimals. So 45 by 100. What is that? 0.45. You got it? Now the second one is, I am going to see what Tej did on the second one. Yeah, Tej, good job. Neil, nice work. Arnav, very good job. Okay, on the second one, guys, subtract the sum of 3.2 plus 9/10 is 0.9. Right? When you add both, what do you get? 4.1. You're going to subtract it from 5, which is a 0.9 or a 9 by 10. Everybody got it, I think. Naga, are you able to get that, ma? Naga, you're okay, Naga?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's see. How about this? Okay, I'm going to make it tricky. Surya, how are you following? I'm not asking you any questions yet. Are you following?
Yeah. I just typed in the first question. I was just about to solve the next question. Can I just type it? Can I just send in the first question? I already did the second question, but the answer disappeared.
Okay,
Like,
doesn't matter. We'll now move on, then you start answering. Okay, that way
What about the presentation thing?
what about the presentation? Naga, are you ready, ma? She's ready. She indeed asked me.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay. We will do it. Okay. Abhi, do you want to be there for the presentation? Or can I exclude you from the presentation? Or do you want to be there for the
Can
presentation?
I do it the next? I'll work on my presentation this week.
Thank you, Neil. Oh,
So
Abhi, tell
can I
me.
do it next week?
Absolutely, but I want to see the PPT before you present.
Wait, what presentation?
Naga is going to present on Naga is going to present on what, ma? Theodore, Wheel of Theodorus, right?
Theodorus and irrational numbers.
Going to present some interesting topic. Okay, let's hear what she's going to talk about. Okay, so next week Neil will present. Okay, but let's see, Abhi, do you want to be there or can I exclude you because you are the only one who wants to go early? You want to be there? You have to say quickly.
I have to ask my dad.
Oh,
But
okay, no problem.
he'll probably say no, but
Wait a minute. Can I teach about integers?
You can, yes. Okay, you're going to read this. Let me see how you interpret this. Mm-hmm. Okay, after this, I really want to move to multiplication now. Go ahead. I just want to be sure you all know multiplication and division. Then only I can go to our beast book from next week. I would expect all of you to have the books by next week. Okay, a lot of time has been given on that.
I don't think I have it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll talk to your mom. Surya, was that the answer for the last question or this one, mom?
Last question, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Go ahead with this one. Add 7. Oh, I need the charger. Go ahead. Go ahead, guys.
Oops, I made a typo.
Mm-hmm. I really wanted to go to that beast book today, but let's see. Let's take a little bit of time.
Oh, great. I did not ask for the search bar.
Take your time, guys, but this one I really would like to see your right answers. Let's see. Okay, now we have to go over some concepts related to multiplication of decimals. With models and without models, we'll do.
I'm done.
Nice, Neil, Arnav, Naga, very nice. Abhi, is that the answer, Abhi? Can you check once more, Abhi? Please redo the entire problem, Abhi. Akshara, that's right.
So I'm presenting today?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
Okay.
I'll give you in another 4-5 minutes, I'll give you the turn. Okay. You're excited, right, Ma? That's why I really want you to let you to present. Okay, Heyan. Good, Heyan. Vivan, can you recheck? Completely redo. Vivan, it's okay. I'm going to wait, but please redo. Read it aloud. Do it in the paper, in the notebook. Then say the answer.
I'm done.
You're only doing addition. Yes.
I have a
Did you see,
question.
Abhi? What was the difference? How did you get it right, Abhi?
Last time I didn't read the problem and did subtraction.
Oh my goodness.
I have a question.
Yeah, Ma?
For 1/4, when you convert it to a decimal, is it 0.1?
No. Is that the way to convert? Convert your denominator to 100 or a 10, which is easy.
Okay.
Which is easy. Times 25 times 25. Times 25 times 25. You got it? You got it? It becomes 25 by 100, 0.25. Did you get it? Vivan, did you? Oh, okay. I'm going to move on. Okay, this is just addition problem. Okay. Now, guys, when it comes to multiplication, Tej, did you get it?
No.
Why?
Ma'am, can you see my
You're
answer?
keeping quiet. You have to shout out, Auntie, I did not get it.
Okay.
Where did you not get it?
I got confused of what decimal should I do on one foot.
Okay, add this. That is 0.7, right?
Yes.
So the sum of this is 25 by 100, right? 0.25. You have to add it to the sum of 0.25 plus 2.4. Would you be able to do this?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to leave it here. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, did you get my answer?
Surya, no. 1 minute, wait. Good job, Surya. Did you do it by yourself, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Now, guys, when it comes to multiplication of decimal, first let's go over what we generally do. Okay. Now, what is 2.5 times 0.3? You know what I do? What
We
do?
convert them to fractions?
No, I don't want to convert them to fractions. Okay. Just throw away the decimals. Just write it like this. Okay. What is 25 times 3?
25 times 3 is equal to 75.
75. Now go back. Go back to the problem. We made it unfair by removing the decimals. Go back. How many digits are after the decimal? 1, 2. Correct? So from the end, I go back to 2 decimal places. Place my decimal here. Answer is 0.75. You guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do one more. 0.02 times 0.3. What should I do? I'll be very unfair to the number. I'll just go do this. 6. But I was so unfair. So I go back and check the number of digits after the decimal place. How many, Heyan? How many digits after the decimal place in the question?
0.
Heyan, how many digits after the decimal place? 1, 2.
After 4. Okay.
Huh?
Um,
How many digits after the decimal place? Naga, you can tell me.
It goes 3 times, 3 places.
3 places. So go back from the end, go back 1, 2, 3. Put a dot here. There are empty umbrellas will be replaced by 0, 0, 0, 6. See the placement of decimal. I'm very, very particular, guys. Okay, this is where you're not going to make silly mistakes. Placement of decimal is very important, and that really tells how do you handle decimals later. Okay, now let's try to find this. Whenever I multiply a number by 10, it's so easy. You just multiply the digits and add the 0. Correct, guys?
yeah.
If you multiply the number by 100, you just multiply these 2 digits and then put the 2 zeros. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever I multiply a decimal number by a 10, you know what happens? The decimal moves to the right by the number of zeros you have.
Yeah.
Here you have 1 0. So decimal moves to the right by
1 time.
1. 0.125, when I multiply by 100, what happens then?
Goes 2 times. Right.
It becomes,
One
what does it become?
12.5.
12.5. Good job. 0.125, if I multiply by 1000, what happens?
It's make
125.
125. Good job. So let's see this one. 3.0125 times 100 is what, Tej?
That is isn't that like 31.25?
What? 31? No, you move the decimal. You're not going to take away
301.25.
anything.
Oh,
What is it?
that's
301.25.
301.25.
Now, guys, we are just going to deal with this one thing here. 2 by 10, you put it out as what? It's like a 2.0, right? 2.0 is same as 2.
Yeah.
Now you're dividing by 10. So what do?
1 by 5.
Decimal place moves to the
Left.
Right.
left by the number of zeros. Okay, so that becomes 0.2. Now, 2 by 100 is what then?
0.02.
0.02. Similarly, if I divide 5123 by 100, what is the answer?
123 divided by 100 is 51.23.
51.23. Why? Because there are two zeros. From the end, I move left by 2 decimal places. So here, guys, what are we understanding? When you multiply by a 10, the decimal moves to the right by the number of zeros you have multiplied it with. So it becomes 2.18. Same 0.218, if you divide by 10, the decimal moves to the left by the number of zeros you have divided by 10. So that becomes 0.0218. Any questions here?
No.
Okay, now let me ask you this.
I have to
2.5
leave.
times what is equal to 2350?
I have to leave.
You can leave, ma. Yes. Go ahead. 2.35 times what is 2350? Come on, guys. Try to answer that.
Divided by
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Wow, good
Oh,
job,
wait.
guys. So the decimal moved 3 times to the right, right? So it is
Just
1,000.
3 zeros.
Okay, now the last one in chat, please. Times 10 times 100. Please, the last one in chat. You're not going to shout out. Now, Naga, you're going to present.
Okay.
So let's get the answer, please. Then you can present.
Mom, why do I have to keep clicking
Abhi,
control?
answer this and you can leave, Abhi.
I answered.
Good job, Neil. You can wait for the presentation. Naga, good job.
Can I leave?
You can leave, yes. We are going to have a presentation. You can watch it later or fine. Lakshanya, correct, ma. I'm waiting to see answers, guys. It's okay if you did not know. If you did not know, you can just, I don't know. I accept that answer time. Akshara, good job. Guys, next week, please, if we are continuing the classes, for those of you who are new, right? You have to have the books ready. Your moms should follow it up with me, and I'm going to get going with the books, okay? We are already late. Naga, I'm assuming you have all your books, right, Amma?
Yeah, I got them now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah?
I can stay because I don't have swimming for this
Wow,
entire week.
wonderful. Then you can listen to the good job. Okay, Nivina, we are going to listen to the presentation, okay? Then we'll start our class. Surya, Tej, Vivan, I really want to see your answers on that one.
I sent it in chat.
Okay, ma. Oh, wow. Yes, ma. Tej, I saw your answer. Sorry. I already saw. Lakshanya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
But I didn't see your answer. Why?
Still solving.
Lakshanya, I didn't see your answer, right, ma?
The answer is here. You said it was right.
Wait, Lakshmi. Oh, yeah, you know what? You have two logins. Okay, got it. I like your good job. Vivan, please, Vivan, you have to be careful, Vivan. See here. Surya, I didn't get your answer. I'm going to go ahead and tell. Multiply by 10. When I multiply by 10, what happens? The decimal moves to the right by 1, so it becomes 20.5. Now I have to multiply by 1,000. So let me have the number 20.5. If you multiply by 1,000, the decimal moves to the right by 3 places, right? It comes here. So empty umbrellas will be replaced by 0. So the answer is 2,500. 20,500. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay, ma. Go ahead. Naga, you can go ahead and present.
Okay.
Maybe just 1 second. I'll let 2 people in. Okay, they are coming for the next class, but they will be interested in the presentation. Such a good thing. Okay, so just wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, now you can go ahead, ma. Guys, let's listen to Naga's presentation. It's going to be interesting. So I thought let's all see what she's talking about. Okay. Yeah, it's
Okay.
going to be a new topic. Let her introduce the topic. Go ahead, Naga.
Let me just like move this around.
It's okay if it is new for you guys, okay? I just want you to know the words, what it means. Go Google out, okay? Go ahead.
Okay. So this is the Wheel of Theodorus. Okay. Who made it? It was named after a Greek mathematician called Theodorus of Cyrene. Don't know who that is, but sounds cool.
Wow.
The Wheel of Theodorus is a spiral made from triangles. Inside of the triangles, there are usually numbers and side links and much more. Inside, each new triangle in the Wheel of Theodorus has one side that's 1 unit long, as it shows in the picture, one side that's the longest side from the triangle before it. So like they intersect, so like that's another line in it. And then a new longest line called the hypnosis. So yeah.
Hypotenuse. Good job. 1 minute. Go back. Go back. That was the important slide. Okay. So this is the wheel of Theodorus. But what are these numbers, guys? Have you come across these numbers? Thank you, ma. Have you come across these numbers, guys? Who has come across those numbers?
Me.
What are these numbers? Yes, Abhi.
Are they variables?
Square root.
Square root of 2, square root of 3. What are these, guys? 2 square is 4, right? 2 square is 4. But the reverse operation, square root of 4 is 2. Did you get it?
Oh, I
Yeah.
see something.
But you know what? The wheel of Theodorus is much more. We are just talking about what are these numbers. These numbers are square root of 2. Square
So
root.
the larger the number here, the more wider the triangle is.
Neil, do you know Pythagorean theorem?
No.
Okay, I want you all to Google. Okay, today she has introduced this, right? So this week, go ahead and Google what is Pythagorean. I don't know. I don't want to say theorem. Okay, go ahead and Google what is Pythagorean theorem. Next week, let's discuss this. Naga, bring your slide next week and keep it ready. But we'll see how these triangles form based on the Pythagorean theorem. I want everybody to go Google what is Pythagorean theorem and come back and we'll see how this spiral of Theodorus came into picture. Make sense?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead, ma. Sorry, Managa. Sorry for interrupting. Go.
This is mine. I made my own with like 10 attempts, I think. I finally got it. Still not exactly even, but yeah. As you can see, this might remind you of like a seashell where like, the shell. So yeah.
This is lovely. Did you make it by yourself? Did you measure?
Yeah, I measured everything.
Wow. Who helped you?
No one.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Good job.
Fun facts. Spiral of Theodorus, it was made over 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece. Every triangle in the spiral is always a right triangle. One side of every new triangle is also 1 unit long, and the spiral helps show square roots in a picture. Irrational numbers. What is an irrational number? An irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a simple fraction of two integers, whole numbers. its decimal form goes on forever without repeating a pattern, an oddball.
So guys, we are going to learn about irrational numbers in November. Okay, but if you're really curious, please go Google what are irrational numbers. What
For
is
example, pi is an irrational number.
That's
Yeah.
true. Do you know any other irrational number, Neil?
1/7.
1/7. 1/7 is not an irrational number. 1/7 is a rational number because it can be expressed as a fraction. It's a rational. Rational number means same
Yeah.
number. 1/7.
Because its fraction can also be 17/1. Or like 1/7/1.
Miss Priya?
Yeah, go ahead. 1/7 is a fraction, so it is a rational number, Manil.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
A rational number.
Akshara, you want to go?
I have to go.
Bye. Go. Thank
A rational number can be a positive, negative, or a zero, but zero decimal or fraction. But what really makes it different from irrational is that it repeats. So, for example, this is like irrational numbers. So LUR's number is like 7.7182818228. This is all irrational. Same, see, Neil said pi, that's up there. Then square root of 2, I guess that's up there too. Compared to rational, where 1/2 is 0.5, 3/4 is 0.75. Like, you can see how one's repeating and one's not.
Good job. Go ahead.
Why does rational numbers have to end? Rational numbers is a fraction like 1/2 or 1/7. When you divide, there are only limited numbers of possible remainders. So rational is like 1 divided by 3 is 10 divided by 3 equals 3, remainder 1. Then like, let's just say if I add 0, 10 divided by 3 is remainder 1, and it just keeps going on forever. Compared to irrational, where the remainder becomes 0, so the decimal stops. Like 1/2 is equal to 0.5. There's no repeating to it.
Wait a minute, so a rational number is like a number which like pi, or an irrational number is a number like 1/2.
Other way,
Yeah.
right? Neil, the other way, you switched it.
Oh.
But you're right. Go ahead.
Yeah. Remember, rational number can or cannot be ending, but it has to be repeating for it to be rational. True or false? Irrational numbers don't repeat.
True.
What do you guys think?
True.
Wait a minute.
True.
True. Rational numbers
Nice.
always or usually repeat. The end.
It was really good. See, it was not everything that we understood, but you all had a good insight of, oh, some numbers are rational, some numbers are irrational. There is a square root. And I
Yeah.
want you to learn about Pythagorean theorem. Very nice, Naga, this one.
Can I
Yeah.
make a presentation about the Pythagorean theorem?
Definitely yes, but Neil wanted to present next week. Why don't you do it on Pythagorean theorem, Neil?
Okay.
I don't want to.
Okay, then you go ahead with integers. I'll ask Naga to present on Pythagorean again next time. Or Lakshanya to present on Pythagorean theorem.
Just give me a topic and I'll do it.
Sure. Okay, guys. That was very good. Thank you, Naga.
Priya,
See-
this is Hayan. About the presentation thing,
Yes.
can I make a presentation about math and science?
Absolutely. Why not? If you're going to connect them, yes. I would love to see what you're going to bring, but I want to see your presentation. You know, Naga sent it to me 5 weeks back, 3 weeks back.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. And we went around a lot of fixes as well.
A lot.
But that's good. Now you learned a lot.
I can send it. I can send it.
Yeah, you can send it, then go ahead. If you send it, then definitely yes, you can present next week. Okay.
Okay.
That's nice. Thank you, Hayan, for volunteering. Okay. How about we see you all next week, guys?
Okay. Bye.
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 See you next week.
Bye, guys.
We need a book next week, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm so glad you
When is the next class?
Bye.
came, Ma.
Bye.
Bye.
When is the next class? Next week?
Next week, same time.
Same time today?
Yeah, Surya, no, your mom and I will talk. Don't worry. After the class, your mom and I will talk. Ask her to ping me. Okay, I have class now. I'll talk to her after an hour or tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ama. Hi, guys. How are you all? Guys, videos on, guys.
Yes.
How are you?
My video doesn't work.
It doesn't matter, Ma. Okay, Ananya, let's go ahead. Mhm. How are you all, guys?
Good.
Good.
I worked with Ananya. I've never worked with you. I'm so glad to be seeing you after a long time. You know, Ananya was such a nice, it worked very well. Exciting. Okay. Sanskriti, good to see you, Ma. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Where did we leave last week? GCD LCM, right?
Yes.
You know what? Since your school is going to open, right? I really want to revise a little bit of your school and then go into the book. Okay. So let's see. I don't want to just like that shift, but I want to do a little bit. Any questions you had in your homework, guys? Did you have any questions in your homework? Ma, please tell me, guys. Did you have any questions in your homework? Ma, I really need answers. I'm asking you guys.
No.
Oh, yes, I didn't do something, right?
1 second, I need to check.
Uh-huh. We were doing LCM GCD, right, guys?
If you want to ask Auntie something, you can ask her, or you can ask her.
Yeah, you know GCD, ma? No, right? Do you know LCM, least common multiple and greatest common factor, ma? Atulya, do you know?
Can you repeat that again?
Do you know least common multiple and greatest common factor?
No, I do not.
Okay, no problem. Karthik, was the homework? Did you have any questions in the homework?
Yeah, I'm checking 1 second.
I had one question.
No.
You can tell me, Ayan.
It was section 3.5. So it was question number 3.5.8.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you know? Yeah. Then tell her, I know that.
I can't. I don't have the.
What? 3.5.
And you're behind me, so I didn't.
What happened, ma? 3.5.8, Let me check. I seriously don't get it yet. Wait, guys. 3.5 point. Yeah. Oh, I see. 3.5.8. I got it. 3.5.8. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's a good problem to do. Let's see. Let's see. I don't have the answers here, but we can do the problem, guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I know some of you don't have the problem with you, right? Doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and I'm going to write down the problem for you. Did you try doing it, Ayan?
I just didn't get the problem.
Oh, I see. I see. I hear you. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and write down. I know many of you don't have the with you, the book with you. That's okay. Okay.
Ask her if you want, if you have to get any books or anything.
Hoots.
Okay?
Okay.
3 hours. Let's see this. Okay. One howl hoots every 3 hours. A second owl hoots every 8 hours. And the third owl hoots every 12 hours. The third owl every 12 hours. Ananya, did you do this problem, ma? Ananya, did you do this problem? How many times during the next 80 hours? How many times during the next 80 hours would all of them hoot together? First, let's find out, and then we'll do that problem. This is the problem. Given problem is a little variation to this. Okay. Now I'm going to. Ananya, did you do this problem?
Yes, I did.
So how do you do this? See, owl number 1, owl number 2, owl number 3. They're all hooting. Okay. Owl number 1 starts. Owl number 2 starts. So when they start, for every 8 hours they hoot. Okay. At point, meaning when they start, all the owls hoot. Okay. Now they all hooted. Whenever they hoot, I'll put a vertical line. Then this owl, what did he do? Owl number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. He's hooting, right? 18. Then what? 21, 24, 27, 30. Hoots till 80. We don't know. Okay. Similarly, owl number 2 is going to hoot every 8 hours. 8, 16, again 24. He's hooting here. You see? Then again, you have to extend this, okay? Owl number 3 puts every 12 hours. 12, 24. So the
24.
first time they all the 3 start hooting is here. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So how do you think we can find it? All of them, how many times will they hoot together? Again, what is the next time they'll all hoot together? What is the next time they'll all hoot together? You tell me. Think and tell me. I've drawn something. So what is the next time they'll all hoot together? Huh?
At 48?
48. Why 48?
Because it's another 24 hours.
Exactly. Every 24 hours, they all hoot together. I found out that the least common multiple, I wrote down the multiples of 6, multiples of 8, multiples of 12. Right? The least common multiple for all three is 24. You got it? Now that's the least common multiple. Then for every multiple of 24, 48, then the next one is 48.
72.
72. Yes. So 72. Good. So 72. So at the 24th hour, 48th hour, 72nd hour. That's still 80 hours, right? So 3 times they'll all hoot together. Make sense?
Yeah.
Sanskriti, did you understand, ma? Sanskriti, are you following?
Sorry, could you repeat that? My dad was saying something.
You're not going to talk there, ma. That really pulls down. You see what I mean? It's very hard to go back. That's why I wanted to check whether you understood. I wrote down the multiples of 3. I wrote down the multiples of 8. I wrote down the multiples of 12. We looked at we are going to check when are all the owls going to hoot together. So we found out that the least common multiple, what is least common multiple? The multiple that's common to all the 3, the least number. So that was 24. Now for every 24, for every multiple of 24, 24 times 1, 24 times 2, 24 times 3, it goes on. So those are the hours in which all the owls hoot together, right? So now for every multiple of 24, right? 24, 48, 72. These 3 come before 80. So the 3 times when all the owls hoot together are at hour number 24, hour number 48, and hour number 72. So 3 times they hoot together during the next 80 hours. Ayan, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I am not that comfortable with our LCM GCF. Let me see, guys. Let's see. 1 second, guys. We are going to do some more problems, okay? So, did we discuss prime factorization? We did it last week, right? Okay. So,
Yeah.
let's go over that because it's a part of your grade 6 as well. So, it is important. Okay. When I ask you, do you know prime numbers and composite numbers, Atulya?
Yeah.
You know, 48. 48 is a composite number or a prime number? Composite. Now, how do you prime factorize? What do you mean by prime factorization? Means I'm going to composite number into its prime factors, meaning 2 times 24. So this is a prime number, I circle it. 2 times 12, I circle this. 2 times 6, I circle this. 3, 2. So now when you look at it, 48 can be written as 2 times, whatever circles, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. This,
For
writing,
prime factorization, I thought you had to do like to like for example, like if you were doing like 2 squared or something, you would have to write 2 squared times like 3 or something like that.
yeah, ma, we'll go there. Okay, so 48 can be written as this. Then what is this called? This is called the prime factorization of 48. Why do we call it like that? Because the number 48 is written as the product of prime numbers. All these are prime numbers and you write 48 as a product of prime numbers. So that's called the prime factorization of 48. Now guys, you can also write this out as 2 power 4. The number 2 is the base. That's repeated. This is called the exponent. It's repeated 4 times. Times 3 power 1. Correct, guys? Atulya, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. So writing 48 like this is called prime power factorization. Any questions, guys? One main thing where things can go deceptive is when you try prime factorization, each and every single number that you write should be a prime number. Okay, you should not have composite numbers within. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. Now, what is the greatest common, what are factors? Greatest common factor. We discussed this last week, right? Greatest common factor of 7 and 14. Let's find out the factors. You all know how to find out factors, right, guys? What are the factors of 7? 1 and
7.
what are the factors of 14? 1 and
7. 1
14 and
7
1, 7, 2.
1 2 1 2.
good job. So what do? I write the number 1. I write the number 14. So I go through all the numbers between 1 and 14. I go to 2. 2 times 7 is 14.
7.
Now I go through all the numbers between 2 and 7. Make sense? Nothing is there. Nothing will go in the factor of 14. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Now if I ask you for the greatest common factor between both, Atulya, what is the greatest common factor between 7 and 14?
14.
Atulya, I have written the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. So what is the greatest common factor between both?
7.
7. Good job. That's the greatest common factor. So for finding the greatest common factor, you write out the factors. For the least common multiple, you write out the multiples and find the least number that's common. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay, let's try this one. You're going to find out the GCF of 15 and 20. Number 1. And then you're going to find the least common multiple of 16 and 64. Let me see. I'm going to wait. If you don't know, you can just say I don't know. Nivina, you're good, ma? You look so tired.
Yeah, I'm a little bit tired.
Okay. School
Yeah.
opened, huh?
What?
School reopened?
No, it's tomorrow
Okay.
for me. Yeah.
Nice. Karthik. I told you, right, you did not do a sanity check. Last week, I said that the greatest common factor, if I ask you, it will be a smaller number or equal to the smallest number of the two. If I ask you for the LCM, least common multiple, it will either be a bigger number than both or it will be the greatest of the numbers. Is your answer obeying that logic?
Not really.
Good job, Ayan. Karthik, you're going to rework. Sanskriti, that's not right. Greatest common factor. Factor means it will be less, right, ma'am? It will be either lesser than both of the numbers or it will be the least of the two numbers given. But your answer doesn't say that. Did you write out the factors, Sanskriti? Ayan, looks like you did your homework very well. You did your homework, ma? Ayan, did you do your homework fully?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice to see. Yeah, but I want to go back to your, after finishing this, I really want to go back to your school unit. I'll definitely check once.
I have school tomorrow.
Oh, you have school tomorrow? Good to know. I'll wait, guys, but at the same time, let me know where we are, ma. No, you're not able to do. Atulya, are you able to do? You know how the class works, ma? Atulya, you can chat with me using the chat window. I can help you as well. Nivina, good job.
Okay.
Sanskriti, Sanskriti, the first one is incorrect, ma. You have given the least common multiple. You have to go for the factors. Ananya, the second one is incorrect. I'm asking for the multiple. Multiple means it should be a higher number, right? Nivina, the first one is correct. The second one, Nivina, is 48 a multiple of 64?
Oh, wait.
Ask the question and check. Write down the multiples.
Okay.
Atulya, can I help you or you want to do it by yourself? Yes, correct. Good job, lady. Greatest common factor. Very nice. Least common.
So for the first one, could you explain it?
Absolutely, ma. See, what are the factors of 15, ma? 1, 15,
15.
and what?
then it could be
Numbers from 1 to
3.
2. You can't write a 2 here, okay? 3 and a 5. Go through numbers between 3 and a 5 now. Nothing, right? Factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Correct, ma?
Mhm.
Now, how about 20? What are the factors of 20? 1 and 20, then what?
120, then 2,
4
then
and
10, then 4, 5.
Yep. Now, what are the numbers that are common? Greatest number that's
5.
common. Greatest, 5. That's the answer. Did you get it? Yep. Atul, proud
Which one was the one where we write the factors down?
answers to both of the questions.
Like,
Sorry, Manivina. What was that? What was that? Atulya, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So here, guys, one thing is, one way is to write the factors. The other way, right, depend on prime factorization. The first problem can be solved using prime factorization. That's the best way. Okay. 5, 3. This one is 2, 10. Please circle the prime numbers. 2, 5, 2. So how do you write this? 5 times 3. How do you write this? 5 times 2 times 2. What is common, guys, to both? Only thing that's common is 5. So that's the greatest common factor. See how easy it is if you write the prime factorization? This is the best way to go. This one is based on your understanding, you're going this way. But if you write the prime factorization, whichever is common, you can multiply them together. That is the best way. For you to find out the LCM as well, prime factorization helps. What is the least common multiple? Let me show you how to do that. 16, you have 2 times 8, 2 times 2 times 2. So let me circle all of it. This is written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 64, how is it written? 2 times 32, 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2, 2, 2. So that is written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How do you find the least common multiple? You know what? What are the numbers that are common to both? Only 2 is there. Okay. The number of times 2 appears is 5 here. The number of times 2 appears is how much here? 6. So you have to find out the maximum number of times the number appears. Here it occurs 5 times. Here it occurs 6 times. So 2 power of 6 is my least common multiple, which is 64. Now, if I ask you to find the least common multiple of 5 and let's say 5 and maybe 7, how do I find the least common multiple? Prime factorize it. 5. 5 is only 5 times 1, right? And then this is 7 times 1. So there is nothing common here. But you have to find out about 5 and 7. 5 occurs once here. 5 doesn't occur at all. So the maximum number of times is just once. Go to 7. 7 occurs 1 on this side. 7 does not occur at all. So what is the maximum? Only 1, 7. So you multiply all of them to get the LCM, which is 35. Did you guys follow? Now use your prime factorization skill to find out the LCM of 15 and 20. Use your prime factorization skill to get the LCM of 15 and 20.
Can I use the restroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ananya, is this question number 3 you have given, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm asking for the LCM, least common multiple. How did you do that, Ananya? Least common multiple means, is 25 a multiple of 20? See, ask that question for yourself and then send the answer.
Mom, I accidentally put 25.
No problem at all. You can redo. Ayan, good job.
Wait, yeah. Miss Priya, could I show it on the board just to make sure I'm understanding it correct? Because I don't exactly understand it that well. I'm just making sure I
You
do.
can definitely do, but just go ahead and send the answer first, because the other working, I want to get the answers from them. So go ahead and send the answer first. I want to see where you are, and then you can definitely explain Sanskriti. Atulya, are you able to do using the prime factorization, Atulya?
I don't get the prime factorization.
Oh, you just split the number, ma. 15 is split as what?
3 and 5.
That's it. 3 times 5. Both are prime numbers. That's all. Split
Okay.
20. How do you split 20?
2 and 10.
2 and 10, but 10 is composite still. Split it.
2 and 5.
Yep. So you write it down as 2 times 2 times 5. Now, least common multiple means go through all the numbers. Whichever maximum number it has occurred on both the numbers, you have to take it out and multiply.
Okay.
I'll wait, guys. Sanskriti, good job, ma. Atulya, can I get your answer, ma? I'm going to, yeah. Atulya, how did you get that? Let me show you. Sanskriti, you want to explain first and then I can show Atulya. Go ahead, ma. Ananya, I didn't see your answer.
I sent it.
Oh, you sent it, ma? Then I did not. Ananya, you're finding out the greatest common factor. The number is smaller. Your answer is smaller means it's the greatest common factor. It's always the opposite. Least common multiple means your number should be bigger. Did you understand, Ananya? Ananya, did you do your homework, ma?
Yes. No, the answer I sent was for LCM because you told me to fix it.
Yeah, the answer you said was LCM. It is not correct. I'm saying LCM should be a bigger number.
Oh, yeah, I made a mistake. Yeah, I see.
So now, good job, ma. So, Atulya, good job, ma. For Atulya, I'm going to do once, okay? LCM of 15 and 20, Atulya. 15, you wrote it down as 5 times 3. 20, Ananya, you have to listen as well. 2 times 10, but 2 times 5, right? So you wrote this down as 2 times 2 times 5. You wrote this down as 5 times 3. Any questions, Atulya, till here?
No.
Least common multiple means the problem is I have to go through all the numbers. What are the numbers that I see? 3, 5, 2. 3, 5 and 2, I'll have to somehow write it down here. First I go through 3. 3 occurs one time here, 0 times here. Which is bigger? To write that one time here. Then 5 occurs one time here, one time here. Which is bigger? That one time I will write. And then 2 occurs 2 times here, 0 times here. Then I'll have to write both the 2's. So now when you multiply all of this, it is equal to 60. Make sense, Atulya?
Yeah.
Make sense, ma Ananya?
Yes.
Okay. Ananya, I don't think you did the homework. Did you do it fully, ma?
I don't know. Need to check.
Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm going to give you some word problems. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're going to do this one. Okay. You're going to tell me, you can tell me what is the answer in chat. Karthik, are you able to follow this, Karthik?
Yes.
Okay, good. How about this? Go ahead and do this one. Did we discuss rational numbers, irrational numbers, guys, to you all? Did I discuss?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Okay, let's do that today. Yeah, guys. If you're having trouble, you can let me know. How are you thinking, all of you? A teacher has 48 pencils and 60 erasers. Okay. She wants to make the clue is the greatest possible number. So what are you going to find? Of identical gift bags using all the supplies. She has to give some pencil, some eraser to every kid. How many gift bags can she make? How many pencils and erasers will be in each bag? So what should you find here, guys?
The GCF.
The GCF. Good job. The clue is the greatest possible number of identical gift bags. You see? So, Ayan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Stop.
What question numbers would this
Okay.
be?
Yeah, I'll put it, but then you did not answer the question, right? How many possible erasers? How many possible pencils and erasers will be in each bag? You didn't answer that, right, ma?
Is my answer right?
Ayan, is your answer right? First of all,
I send you.
Ayan, is your answer right? Nivina, your answer is right. Yes. Ayan, correct now. Good job. Ayan and Nivina, you got it. But tell me how many erasers and how many pencils, Ayan. Atulya, where are we? Ma? Are you able to proceed? Or you're stuck?
I'm able to proceed.
Oh, fine. Good. Then go ahead. Karthik, good job. Sanskriti, I'll wait for your answer. Guys, I really want to go over the rational numbers today.
I have a question.
I'm here listening, Ma. Go ahead.
When does class end every single day?
Actually, the class is 6:50 to 7:50. Today we start a little late because of Naga's presentation, right? Irrational numbers. You guys are going to study. That's why I wanted you to be there. Is that okay, Nivina?
7 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good job. Proud of you, Ma. Others, did you get it? I'll wait. Atulya, was that the answer for this one, Atulya?
What?
Did you send the answer already?
Almost done.
No, you take your time, but 130, what was the answer for? Previous question?
60.
Ilema, 130 you have sent, right? Is that the answer for the previous question or this question?
Previous question.
I'll wait. Slowly you do. It is just the greatest common factor they're asking in a different way. So, it's easy.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Okay, guys. Can I go ahead and do it on the board, guys? So,
Yeah.
48, 60. Do the prime factorization. 224, 212, 26, 23. So this is 2, 2, 2, 2, and a 3. I'll always circle the prime numbers, guys. Then only I won't get confused. Then 230, 215, and circle the prime numbers. 5, 3. So what happens? 2, 2, 3, 5. I just need to find the common factors. Common factors means what numbers are common between the two sides. See, here you have 4, here you have 2. So what should I write? Only the common ones I need to do. 2 times 2. Only two 2's are common. Here 1, 3 and a 1, 3. I'll write that. So now 3 2's are 6, 6 2's are 12. So I can make only 12 gift bags. Right? I can make only 12 gift bags. If there are 48 pencils, 12 gift bag means each gift bag will contain what? How many pencils? There are 12 gift bags. So 4 pencils will be there. And in the 12 gift bags, there are 60 erasers. So 5 erasers.
5, yeah.
Atulya, did you get it?
Yes.
Ananya, did you get it? Okay.
Yeah.
One question. Let's see, guys. Let me give you one more. Yeah, let's see where we are on this one. Yeah, how about this? This is an easy one, okay? This is an easy one. I really want you guys to do it correctly. Let's see. I'm not going to give you any clues.
What's the question number for this?
Trading used to be at 99.
I say my answer.
I saw ma Karthik. Ananya, I'll check your answer, ma. That's good, Karthik. Very nice. Logically do, guys. You'll get the answers. But if you didn't understand, please let me know. It's okay not to understand. Ananya, good job, ma. Okay. Atulya, Ananya and Karthik, you don't have to keep quiet, okay? Can I ask you this question? Ananya and Karthik, you can proceed with the next question. See, don't get confused between GCF and LCM. Just be sure of what you're doing. This is only for those who completed, okay? If you complete this, this is more than enough for me. Nivina, not really. What is that, Nivina? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock you're thinking? No. Why 2 o'clock? From 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock? Atulya, correct, Atulya. So the question is, when will they ring together? After 24 minutes, right, ma? So what will be the time? That's all they're asking. Good job. Atulya can go ahead with the fourth question. Good job, Nivina. Ayan, very nice. Proceed with the fourth one. Karthik. That's right, Karthik. Good job. Looks like you all have a good insight now. Using prime factorization, you should be able to do the LCM and GCF. I really want to go ahead and cover. Go ahead, guys. Once you're done, let me know, guys.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Absolutely. 1 minute. Sanskriti, the third one is right. You can proceed with the fourth one. Karthik, you're done with the fourth one, right? Karthik, give me 1 minute. We'll wait and then move on.
Yeah.
Is my answer right for the fourth one? Bless you.
Thank you, ma. Give me 8. Is it just 8, ma? 8 baskets with 7 apples is what? How many apples? 56 apples, but he has 96 apples, right? You see what I mean?
I'm stuck.
Okay, what will you find out for the fourth problem? A store has 96 apples and 144 oranges. The fruit must be divided into identical baskets with no fruit left over. The store wants to store as many baskets as possible. As many baskets as possible. So what do you find here? What is that?
The LCM?
As many baskets as possible. GC, greatest common factor, because that only gets you the maximum number of baskets, right? When you look at it, 96, 144, right? How to find the greatest common factor? 2, 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 3, 2, 2. So this is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. This one is 144 means 12, 12, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So you write down as 4 2s and 2 3s. Now what is the greatest common factor? 5 2s, 4 2s. So what is common? Only 4 2s are common. Then 3, only 1 3 is common. So multiply all of that. 2 to 4 is 8, 8 is 16, 3 is 48. 48 is the greatest common factor. So he can make still 48 baskets. In each of the basket, you will have 2 apples, right? 48 times 2. And how many will he have? 3 oranges. Apulya, did you get it?
Yes.
I'll move on, guys. So your answer, your homework will be on GCF LCM aspect, okay? Now, what you need to know is, this one I really want you guys to know. What is the smallest group of numbers called? They're called counting numbers. Counting numbers are what numbers? It will not include 0. 0 is not a counting number, okay? Please understand it's 1, 2, 3 and so on. They're called counting numbers.
Counting numbers.
Now the bigger asset here is whole numbers. You see why I am drawing a circle inside a circle? Whole numbers will involve all of the counting numbers and the extra 0. Make sense?
Thanks, ma'am. Aren't counting numbers basically just all numbers?
All numbers except the negative numbers.
Yeah.
Whole numbers.
And the decimals.
But again, Ananya, you cannot count 2.2 as a counting number. You got it? Only whole numbers. So now, again, a bigger set of numbers are integers, which involve the negative numbers. You got it?
Then won't it go rational numbers?
Sanskriti, let me go ahead, ma. Please hold on. Integers means what? You go through the negative numbers, but it also involves the counting numbers and whole numbers. If I ask you, what is the type of number 2? You cannot say integers, okay? Because you have to be very, very specific. You have to go to the innermost circle and tell the answer. So 2 is what type of a number? Counting number. Got it, guys? Now, the outer circle has rational numbers, which are whatever. If you see a fraction, right, you can call it as a rational number. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Don't worry, meaning it can be converted to a decimal. But then if they are converted to a decimal, you'll know their pattern. Rational means they have some sanity, sane numbers. Rational, brainy numbers. They know how they repeat. 1 by 3 is 0.3. I'll write it like this with a line on top. So they know how the numbers repeat. Rational numbers. Can I move on? Now, what are irrational numbers then? What are irrational numbers? They are just decimal numbers which cannot be expressed. Yeah, Sanskrit, go ahead. You want to say?
There are numbers that don't repeat and they go on continuously.
Yeah, we don't know the pattern. They repeat. Meaning you have something outside of the decimal, meaning after the decimal you have something, but we don't know the pattern in which they come or repeat. It just goes on. So pi, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 7, square root of 8, square root of 10. All these are irrational numbers. You got it? Now, this entire system of rational and irrational numbers is there, right? It's called the real number system. This is what we study in mathematics, real number system. Now, let me ask you, 1 by 17 is what type of a number, Ayan? 1 by 17 is what type of a number? 1 by 17 is what type of a number?
Rational.
Good job. It's a rational number. Good job. How about square root of 17? What type of a number, Sanskriti?
Irrational.
Irrational. Good job. Pi is what type of a number? Karthik.
Irrational.
Irrational. Good job. How about minus 2.5? What type of a number is minus 2.5?
Integer.
Is it an minus 2.5?
Would it be a rational number?
You want to try? When I call out names, I really want those kids to answer. Atulya, did you have the answer?
Integer?
Is it an integer? Minus 2.5. Integer should be whole numbers, right? The decimals come only on this plane. Terminates as well. Now go ahead, Sanskriti. What type of number is minus 2.5?
Would they be irrational numbers because integers, they don't include decimals?
Yep. So minus 2.5 is, see, rational number set consists of all integers, counting numbers, and whole numbers. It's a bigger set. Okay. Rational numbers is any fraction. You can express them as decimals as well. So minus 2.5 belongs there. You got it? It contains integers as well. Negative numbers that can be expressed as a decimal belong to the rational number set. Make sense, Ananya? How about minus 4? Where does it belong? Minus 4. Where does it belong? Ananya, you tell me. Minus 4.
Integers.
Good job, integers. Nice, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you some questions on this. This is called the real number system. That's what we're going to study when the school starts. Make sense? Okay. Now, how many of you know about integers? We have learned about integers, right, guys? Negative number, right? Okay. Now tell me. I'm going to give you a picture. You're going to tell me what is right. Now, which one is right? You're going to tell me. I'm going to give you 4. It's like 4 questions together. You're going to tell me which one is right. Slowly analyze and tell me. F, G, H, J. You all know negative? Yeah. Go ahead.
What's the question?
I want which one of these is correct.
Okay.
Rest of it are all wrong.
Do we have to say all the ones that are wrong or all the ones that are right?
First, check. I want to say which one is right.
Just right.
Would we put it as like number 1?
Sure, Ma. You want to put it as, yeah, good question, Sanskriti. 1 minute. I did miss it, right? You want to say it as number 1? Okay. Nivina, is that right, Nivina? Yeah, that seems right as well. I don't know.
Can there be more than one correct answer?
But Nivina, did you see G and J are very similar? There is one difference. Did you see that?
Yeah, because they put 287 in both integers.
Good job. So what
Whole
do you
numbers.
think? Correct. Vinay, I think your answer is they put the 287 in integers, whole numbers, and rational numbers. Do you think it's correct?
No.
I think it's correct.
Then why
Isn't
did
it just a whole number, though?
It can also be because
Sanskriti, 1 minute. Nivina, 287. Remember, if you go to the innermost circle, it's also a part of the outer circle. Correct?
Oh, wait, yeah.
So think about it. And I don't want to say the answer. You're going to, if yours is correct, you have to stay constant. You have to be confident and say my answer is right. Sanskriti, now tell me, you were telling me about something. Go ahead now.
I think J is correct because 287 it is a whole number because it's not negative and it's not a decimal either, and it's also like it can also be an integer. It's not a decimal. It can be irrational because it includes it in all the inner circles. And it's not repeating. And it's repeating.
Nice, Ma, Sanskriti. So here 287, see, it is present in all of the three circles. Do you see? It is an integer. It is a whole number. It is a rational number. But the innermost circle that covers is the whole number. So when you are asked what is 287, it is a whole number. But all whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational numbers. So it is covered in all the three. So this one is correct. Here, 287, they have segregated that to be only whole number and rational number, but it is also an integer, so it should go here. Ananya and Atulya, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are the things you need to be very confident about. F, why is F incorrect? Why is
because it says 1.3 integers, and that's
correct.
not wrong. That's wrong because it's supposed to be in rational numbers.
Why is H incorrect? I would like one of Ananya, Atulya, Ayan, or Karthik to answer. Why is H incorrect?
It's incorrect because integers only has like it only has it's so negative 0.24. Integers only has like one whole negative digit.
Ananya, good job, ma. What is one another that's incorrect, Ananya? You wanted to say something, I saw. Ananya, do you want to say something? Is there anything else that's incorrect?
No, I don't think so. Oh no, yeah, that one above the
See, that's
integers.
incorrect. Good job, guys. So you know how to do this, okay? Now, how about this? Would you be able to handle this? Atulya, do you know negative numbers?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay. Do you know how to order negative numbers? Let's see this one. Minus 11.1, minus 11.0, minus 5. Order in descending order. Send the answer to me. Order these in descending order. Order these in descending order. Take your time, guys. Just in that. Sanskriti, are you able to follow through all this, right, ma?
Yeah. Would we rate it as number 2?
Yeah, ma. Thank you. Yes.
A quick question. For the middle number, is that a decimal?
Minus 11.1, minus 11.0, and minus 5.
Okay.
Order in descending order. Quick, guys. That's the last question. Now, let me mark the questions that you're going to do at home. Okay, it will be ordering fractions, ordering decimals, questions like that. Okay, integers will be included. Okay, and there might be one question on absolute value which might be difficult for you, but I'm going to work it out in class next week. Okay, so please definitely do this is a little different, guys. This is not a part of the book. All of you should have AOPS pre-algebra book with you. When we come to the next class. Why we are doing this? We want to be sure we are on. There will be 2 homework this week, guys. Okay.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer? I sent it. Fruits every 8 hours? Mama.
Okay.
Mama,
How
I
to?
put the question
एक मिनट
down.
मैम को बुक के लिए लिख रही हूँ. Okay.
Done, guys.
Yeah. So what is our question? Sorry, not question
Descending
number.
order, ma. Descending order.
What is our homework?
1 second, ma. Finish the descending
numbers?
order. Karthik, is it ascending order or descending order you have written? Sanskriti. Good job. Descending order means, see, negative numbers, if you go left, they are small. Whatever is to your right is bigger. Whatever you write to your right is bigger. If you go left, it is smaller. Descending order means you have to go from your right to your left. Ananya, that's right.
Can you check my answer? I submitted it.
Nivina, -5 should come first, ma. Descending order means the highest is to your right side.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Ayan, same thing. Descending means you have to start from the bigger number. The rightmost is your bigger number. You got it, Ayan?
Yeah.
Okay. That you need to be careful. Please, on the number line, the rightmost number is a bigger number. So, negative numbers are a little deceptive. -5 is the biggest number, then -11.0, then -11.1. Make sense? Okay, guys. Now, coming to Ananya asked me for the homework, right? First, Yama, I have already posted the homework. There are 2 homework I said, right? One is on LCM GCF, the other one is on
Is it in the book?
No, it's not in the book, is what I just now said. It is not in the book this week, ma. Is that okay?
Yeah. Also, we don't have any homework in the book.
Not this.
For what you sent in the Google Classroom, I'm pretty sure that's just the answers.
Oh, did I make a mistake there? For
Yeah.
what did I make a mistake?
For the 6.2 rational numbers, number lines, absolute value, and comparing rational numbers.
Let's go down and check. Ma. You have to go down fully. Good question, Ananya, but you have to go down and check. You did not check it properly.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
You got it, ma?
So up till 24?
Yes.
Okay.
You know what? Yeah. So let me do the prime factorization thingy for you today.
Miss Priya, I have the first day of school tomorrow. Can I leave now?
Yes, please. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thanks. Bye.
Bye, guys. Atulya, did you
Yes.
understand? Yeah. Are you following the class?
Yes.
How do you think it is?
It's fine. I know most of the stuff.
Oh, you know most of
Yes.
That's so good. Okay, then you can keep going with this. Okay, there's a
Okay.
ton, there's a ton of homework. There's a ton of homework, but definitely do GCF LCM. Do you know before?
A bit. Yeah, I knew a bit before.
That's good. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I don't think you need to attend Thursday class. Is your mom there?
Okay. No, I can go grab my mom.
Grab her quickly.
Okay.
Can I leave?
Yeah, Ma Ananya. Yes, you can.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. This is lies. No, I had to try. Thank you. Huh? But last time I can say you did an easy one. I probably.
ஹலோ சாரிப்பா.
No problem. இங்க பாருங்களேன் அவளுக்கு இந்த
ஆ
second let me stop the recording.
சொல்லுங்கப்பா.